What's up, guys? We're changing out the brake pads and the rotors on my 1997 Honda CRV. First, get you a breaker bar and break your lug nuts off your tire. Get them all loose. A hard piece on the frame and lift it up with the jack stand. Make sure I'm on. Yep. Lift it up enough for your tire to be off the ground. After you get lifted up, block the wheels in the back for safety. And I'm just going to block this wheel both ways. Put jack stands underneath. I just go two because my life's more important and I don't want to die yet. Alright, now get your wrench and remove the lug nuts. Forehand, loosen them. Pull your tire off. Make sure it bounces.
Alright, now spray everything with brake cleaner.
You're going to want to unbolt this top bolt right here on the back of the caliper.
Make sure that you're loosening the bolt and not tightening it. I learned that the hard way.
Alright, now I got to break this one. And this time I'm going to pull it the right way. It should loosen on its own. Oh, it's off. Okay.
That should expose your pads.
Get a bucket, set that on that. Get the bolt underneath the caliper. That makes sense because it budged and it didn't just loosen. Haha! Once you get that bolt off, set it in your bucket, and then we're going to move this caliper. Set it up here for now, so that we can get down here. Use your breaker bar and show them the camera. You're going to want to get this bolt right here. Take that bolt off. Back behind the caliper. Break it. There we go, broke it. Loosen that bolt. Alright, and take that off. Then the caliper will come off. And this is your old brake pad and your other one. Both the brake pads. And this caliper with the brake. Go ahead and set a bucket with it right there, unless you have the fancy caliper hooks, and we do not.
Use your driver to remove those screws.
If it's tight, not coming off, just rub them out.
Should be loose.
Loosened it. Pull that off, and then you're going to want to clean that
With the brake cleaner. Don't see a wall.
We're supposed to wipe this rotor with look at how shiny they are.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
Not just
Probably goes on that way. Now put on the bottom half of the caliper back on. Now line the caliper bottom back up with this bolt. There we go. We found it.
I don't even do lug nuts. So
But we originally looked it up and Mom was like 3,000 foot-pounds.
You have a torque wrench out here?
Pull these out. Make sure these are greased up.
Find it?
When your sister would rather film the sky. Looks good though.
Look at the night sky.
Hold those.
Is that what you're doing? It's amazing.
A little brake grease. And put it on the corner of the brakes pads to where it'll be touching the metal, but you don't want to put it on the brake pad whatsoever. Or else you suck.
Should just fit right in there.
Look at that.
Take your pick.
The guy I watched used a wrench across it and then clamped the wrench to it. So now we gotta close the caliper, so he did that. See what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
I think that's the move.
Yeah, no, that makes total sense.
There we go. We're good.
That looks good, yeah. I think if anything else.
Now I'll push that back on. And you gotta push these spring things back in. I'm in now. Let's watch this. He's got a quick tool for that. This.
It's easy.
That would be a pain if that was
Grab that bin.
The caliper don't even fit this wheel. I'm just kidding.
Are you using the new ones?
Yeah,
What are these two?
just no tires. My
These?
trucks, calipers, the old
Oh.
calipers, old
It-
ones.
It had, okay.
But the new ones
Give
came
me a
with
heart
bolts.
attack.
Why?
So nice to have the tires back on the CRV. It's tough.
Oh,
Just finished tightening your wheels snug.
And then we need to drop the tires to tighten it.
Torque the tires and rinse and repeat on the other side. Thanks for watching, everybody.